Have you ever pondered, who is Lord Shiva? Is he a god, a guru, or something more? These questions have intrigued spiritual seekers for millennia. Lord Shiva, one of the most revered figures in Hinduism, is a puzzle wrapped in a mystery, swathed in traditions and beliefs. Is he a deity to be worshipped with his trident, his drum, his serpent? Or perhaps he is a divine teacher, a guru dispensing wisdom from the icy heights of Mount Kailash? Some even perceive him as a manifestation of the universal consciousness, the ultimate reality beyond our human comprehension. Each perspective offers a unique lens through which to view and understand this enigmatic figure. It's a complex tapestry of belief, faith, and philosophy, weaving together threads of divinity, wisdom, and the profound mysteries of existence. Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of Lord Shiva. Unveiling the identity of Lord Shiva is like peeling layers of an onion. Each layer reveals a new facet, a new understanding of this complex deity. Among the pantheon of Hindu gods, Shiva stands out as a figure of profound mystery and depth. Let's delve into the many faces of Shiva. Known as the Destroyer, Shiva plays a pivotal role in the cycle of creation, preservation, and destruction. But this isn't destruction for the sake of chaos. Rather, it's about making space for new beginnings, for renewal and rebirth. In another layer, Shiva is the ultimate yogi, a figure of asceticism and meditation. He symbolizes the pursuit of knowledge and the exploration of the self. His meditative state represents a profound inner peace, a tranquility that transcends the material world. Now consider the iconic elements associated with Shiva. The trident, a symbol of power and sovereignty. The drum, embodying the rhythm of the universe and the passage of time. The crescent moon, a symbol of cyclical change, waxing and waning, yet always constant. Each of these elements offers a glimpse into the cosmic energy that Shiva embodies. Each facet of Shiva carries profound wisdom and depth, but his true essence is far deeper. Shiva is more than a god, more than a yogi, more than a symbol. He is a reflection of the universe itself, a personification of the eternal cycle of life, death, and rebirth. The universal consciousness. The concept of Shiva embodies the energy, the vibration that every creature, every galaxy. It is the same consciousness is not about worshiping an idol, but about recognizing the divine in everything and everyone. And see the interconnectedness of all things. For cultivating empathy, compassion. In this modern age, one might wonder, why should we contemplate on Lord Shiva? Amidst the hustle and bustle, the clatter and chatter, lies the profound silence of Shiva, a silence that speaks of universal consciousness. This isn't about following a religion or worshiping a deity. It's about understanding a concept that transcends time and space, one that is as relevant today as it was thousands of years ago. The teachings of Shiva take us on a journey into the innermost realms of our being, to a place of tranquility and peace, untouched by worldly anxieties. This journey is one of self-discovery, of recognizing the divine within us. It is a journey that connects us to the cosmos, fostering a sense of unity and harmony with the universe. In this age of disconnection and distraction, the wisdom of Shiva offers a beacon of light, guiding us towards self-awareness and inner peace. In seeking Shiva, we are, in essence, seeking ourselves.